In 1749, 1750, 1751, a road was built to connect Fort Beauséjour to Fort Gaspereau. It's pretty much gone, but there's some feature still visible in Beaver Marsh. Okay, I could not cross there, too much water. I need to go way over there, so I have to go in that passage and cross the mud over there, and then I end up at the Aboiteau. Let's do it. Oh, it's a bit. Let's try it here. I need to. Okay. 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 So far, so good. Let's keep going. Not too bad. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's getting worse. One big step here. Okay, there we go. Made it. Okay, I did the crossing. Let's keep going. Okay, this is a French causeway. We can still see some woodwork and a lot over there. So now, can I cross here? Sometime I can. Okay. Okay, I will try. Okay, I made it. So then again, now it's larger because it was used as a detour while they did the work over there in 1749. But that is the original Acadian trench before the military moved in Beaver. And that is connecting this drainage right here. Okay, and this drainage is connecting to this sluice. Okay, now the sluice had two pieces on top attached there with metal strapping. Okay, the door is still in place. Now this piece here is a spacer that push against the pin and the board goes on top. I was able to find one of the original board and see the dowel. Same thing, the pin here. So what I'll do for today, I'll push that against the door and I'll strap this in place against the door. And I will make at home pieces to match here. Now, we were just about to lose the door. And I don't know if you know, how many original doors from the Acadian do you know existed? Not many, or probably none, except this one. It's 23 inches wide. And okay, I'll back up a little bit here. So this will be installed here with strapping for today, because I have to go back. The tide's going to come back soon. This is the original height of the marsh. And then that point, this is a piece of sod here. They start to build up the marsh to about a few inches above this. And the rest is natural growth, okay? So this is the natural height of the marsh. They cut into this marsh and then install the Aboiteau, and then after that rebuild and create a crest on top of the sluice. Now, when I first found this, the earth was here. So now we lost all that earth in the past 7 years. And the door was way in, and now the door, I can touch it. It's right beside me. Okay, so let's do some strapping and rush the way out of here before the tide turns around. When the tide is in, it'll be about 6 inches above the marsh right there, because things change. Okay, I get my measurement for the wood I need to rebuild this section. Maybe I'll find the other piece sometime this summer, but now it's too high yet. Okay, this is the repair I was able to do. I don't want to lose the bottom piece, so I strap all around, and this one I strap from there to there and against the door. And I'm gonna recreate a piece like this one to install here. Okay, so time to go. Okay, starting. Okay, I made it. I brought a spare piece of wood and some tools. I'm gonna try to install this on the sluice, and I will use screws, but the screw will be in the dowel already in place. So I will put my screw into the dowels. Okay, I'm ready to attach this piece. That is the spacer. That is what is holding the door, push against the pin, and the next board behind that is missing go against here. So we'll do something for that later. And that's the original piece. I made a new one using the dimension of this one. And I found some pieces in the water, but they used to be in the bottom right here. And they broke away with the last winter. So I got a piece of wood, an older piece of wood. We're gonna install that before the tide turn around. Now, the only reason why this door is still there after so many years is because when I first found this sluice, it was dirt. The bank was here. And the door was way inside. And now look, the bank is gone and the door is exposed. So the reason why this door did not sail away is because 7 years ago, I put this wood strapping with stainless steel screws on each side. I never thought there would be that much erosion, but now it is happening. I'm gonna push this spacer against it and rebuild the roof and put more strapping, and as fast as I can because the tide is about to turn. Okay, this is it. I fixed the best I can now. The tide is coming. I have to do a big detour. I cannot cross anymore. Okay, and I found a filler there, but it's totally rotten. It used to be part of that, but it won't be good very long. So I need another piece of 8 inches wide to fill the gap. Okay. That was way behind there. And here, it's probably what the Acadian had to deal with when they first arrived. Very fertile, all this section here. And there's over there, there's one there, there's a long one there, and there's one over there. It's very hard to see. In the summertime, the grass, the hay is so high, you see nothing. It's just beautiful and yellow.